Hello and welcome to a Unraid Quickie on how to install additional packages within Unraid. As an example, let's say you want to execute a Python script in the Unraid terminal. Out of the box, when we try to execute a Python 3 command with a Python script, Unraid tells us that it cannot find the command. To be able to use Python, we can head over to Apps. If this is our first time opening the Apps page, we have to install the Community Applications plugin, and then accept these two disclaimers. Next, we search for Nerd Tools, and then click on Install. Once it has been installed, we can head over to Plugins and click on the Nerd Tools icon. In this menu, we can search for additional packages we want to use with Unraid. In our example, we are looking for Python. To install Python, you just have to turn the switch on and hit Apply. Now we have to wait for Nerd Tools to finish its installation of the selected package. Python has now successfully been installed on our Unraid system, and we are able to use its features. This concludes the Unraid Quickie on how to install additional packages within Unraid.